Welcome. You can actually activate eSIM in the 4 different methods on this Samsung A57 5G. So first of all, we have to open System Settings, go into the Connection Settings. I'll make sure that you are connected into the internet, so on the Wi-Fi, or if you input the physical SIM card into the mobile data. Now we have to open SIM Manager and go for this one to add eSIM. And I just told you that we got 4 methods and I'm going to show you all of them. So the first method, you can transfer SIM from your old Samsung phone or any other Android phone by clicking here. You will have to click OK, and you have to also get your second phone and turn on the Bluetooth. You have to select your region, select your service provider, just like this, follow on-screen instructions. And now you have to input the mobile number from your phone on this other device and then input the request temporary code and just follow on-screen instructions. I cannot exactly show you how it looks because there's like multiple regions and multiple service providers, so there's no way to actually show this in the one video. The other methods are available here. So the second one, the scan QR code. If you receive the QR code, so you can just simply scan this QR code by aligning this. There we go. If it will be correct, then you can just go forward. The another method, the enter activation code. So the codes always looks like this. You have to just use keyboard to input this, click done, and go forward. And the last method, if you receive the QR code, for example, in your email, you will have to take a screenshot of this by using volume down button and the power button. Click and release simultaneously. The screenshot will be taken. And now the screenshot will be in the gallery, so we can click here and simply pick it up. So now you have to click done, and also you will be redirected. And those steps, the next steps are like you are choosing the preferred SIM for calls, messages, and the mobile data.